Guys, we're at the same spot as last week. We're running back for round 2. We got fly rods this time. I am really excited.
Yeah, last time we kind of hated ourselves because we didn't bring our fry rods, but we also didn't think we were going to be here. This was kind of an audible last week, but now we got them.
We're ready to go. I mean, we're going to try and get... I haven't caught anything on my new fly rod, so I'm breaking it in today.
We're prepared.
We're ready to go, so let's get after it. We'll get to it. I think the best move is to, well, we gotta cast it upstream, so we both kind of just need to stay a little bit farther away. Oh, it sinks. You sink a little bit. I just don't think we're hitting the bottom. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude, this is nuts. Dude, it feels huge on this thing. Okay. Come here. Oh, dude, just running through my feet, man. Oh. First ever fly fish, man. Dude, I've never experienced a fight that crazy before. I can't imagine what hooking like an absolute tank is gonna be like. Guys, first fish of the day. He's a fatty. He just smoked it, and I'm really excited to catch some more, fish something pretty big. So let's get right back in the water here. That literally felt like a ginormous fish. So how am I supposed to do it? Do I let it pull? Hold the line and let it pull?
Alright, after Lucas's first fish, I'm switching it up. He has kind of like a dark colored lure like this, so I'm going to throw this on too. I had something a little bit lighter, and I don't think they were seeing it. It was also a little bit smaller, so I don't think that was doing the trick. Alright, I think the water is definitely up from last week when we were here. So I don't know if that's really a good thing or a bad thing. But I mean, we're just gonna try and fish all these little pools that they're in. Hopefully not spook them when we get in the water. That's what I always never understood with fly fishing.
I had one.
Oh, on. Let's go. Just crushed it right by this rock. There's like a big rock kind of sitting right over there. such a cool feeling to have it on a fly finally.
Derek is on his first fish on the fly.
Not a big one by any means. Of course, we'll take them.
Look at that, guys. First fish for Derek for the day.
First one of the day. There's a nice big rock kind of like hanging over there, and the fly just kind of floated right over it, and this guy absolutely demolished my fly. I thought something like that would work, so let's get this guy back. Let's get a bigger one. We're gonna keep heading downstream.
There he goes.
Let's go, bro. Slime time. Bro, it literally just came out of nowhere. Literally came out of nowhere. Yeah, it was like a little bit of both. Because, yeah, there's this rock kind of like hanging up over there. Yeah. Well, I was reeling in my line so we can keep walking. All right, that was really cool, guys. So we're gonna kind of work our way down, just kind of section by section, work it. Lucas works a little spot, and I'm gonna work a little spot, just kind of piggyback off of each other. It's really tough with these smallmouth because we can't see them. Can't see them, of course, because they are brown. But that was cool to kind of get tight on a fly. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, that's a big one, bro. Bro, I watched him eat that. That was awesome.
Big one, big one?
This is a big one, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, I watched him eat it, bro. That was insane.
Get him. That's a tank, dude.
This is a nice one, bro.
That might be the biggest we've got here.
These guys fight like nothing else. Oh my gosh.
Still harder than the trout?
I don't know. This one definitely put up a bigger fight, but that trout I was fighting for a while. This guy's got some spunk to it.
Land him? There he is, guys. That's a tank, dude. That is a tank. That is a football.
Dude, this is a huge smallmouth, bro. Oh, bro.
That's a big boy.
This is a huge smallmouth. That is definitely the biggest we've caught here. Came out of absolutely nowhere. I wonder if the camera can pick it. The flash of this guy inhaling my fly. That is absolutely insane.
Great fish.
Yeah, let's get this guy back.
Goliath right there.
Bro,
Goliath right there.
bro, that was huge.
Big, bro.
That was a huge fish. Yeah, we gotta fish a lot slower. 100% we have to fish a lot slower.
Are you stripping there or just?
Yeah, but dude, he just flashed it right there. Okay, that was awesome. That was definitely one of the coolest eats I've ever had. All right, moved away down a little bit. This is kind of like just this very slow current right here, but a lot of rocks are kind of up by this bank. So I think they're kind of under these rocks. Just obviously they're ambush predators. Okay, well Lucas just saw a huge one.
They come off too easily. All right, guys, moving on. It looks like an old radio. Moving on, farther down. I think we're probably we're not too far away from, whoa, there's something back there. We're probably not too far away from where we saw like a million fish. But yeah, probably. But we are definitely entering in some better territory. It's calmer, more pools. I think they're gonna be sitting farther downstream anyways. So yeah, We're gonna give it a good go. I don't know where to walk. It's just straight ice over here. It's just straight ice over here. What? On. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck, man. Good shit.
This might be another good one. You like ate it twice.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't want to do it. You guys don't have the magic touch.
All right, guys, fish number 3. He like ate it twice almost. I mean, I was just kind of throwing right up there as you guys saw, but it looks like, yeah, I think he ate it twice. Missed him one time, but I mean, these guys are hungry right now and they are fighting, and I think there's nothing better than a nice fly fish, smallmouth bass. So we're heading back to the bridge. Let's see if maybe we can pick up one more before we get to the bridge and head upstream. That was cool. That was cool.
Oh my god, big one. Yeah, big one. Oh, it's a small one, never mind. It's like really tiny. What? I know. All right, guys. Number 2 for me. Here she is. Absolutely clobbered it. Second one of the day. It's going back. There he goes. Going right to Derek. He's about to eat Derek's. Oh, it's a good one, I think. Number 2 in a row, guys. Come on, get over here. Get over here, son. I got him. I got him. It's a fat one. Number 2 for me, people. This thing is a tank. Absolutely choked it. Let's get him back in. Dude, they're just crushing it.
All right, y'all. We're heading back home.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely crazy day. We're so glad that we came back here and brought our fly rods.
It was just a blast. They fight like crazy. It was just a beautiful day. Like the scenery there, it doesn't feel like we're in New York.
No, we said that a bunch of times. It didn't feel like we were in New York. For those of you who don't know, we do fish in New York State. But yeah, absolutely crazy day. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more creek spots, or if you want to see more fly fishing and stuff like that, we still got like probably another couple weeks left before, you know, fly fishing kind of gets a little dead around here.
Definitely gonna bring our fly stuff to our little secret spot over the summer and just